Let's explore the gadgets that are changing the game. Today, we're focusing on devices that blend style with functionality for an unmatched tech experience. Introducing Moonwalkers by Makeshift Robotics, a revolutionary step in urban mobility. These aren't just shoes, they're the world's fastest, designed to transform how you move. Moonwalkers let you walk at the speed of a run, thanks to their adaptive AI drivetrain. They're intuitive and easy to use. Walk faster to accelerate, slower to decelerate, and to stop, just stop. Engineered for the urban jungle, Moonwalkers handle rough terrain, hills, and even water with ease. Their ergonomic design reduces fatigue and stress on your body, making long walks a breeze. With a top speed of 7 miles per hour and a range of 6.5 miles on a single charge, they redefine efficiency in movement. Compact and robust, each shoe weighs just 5.2 pounds and features a quick magnetic release for convenience. They're also fast charging, reaching full power in just 90 minutes. Moonwalkers are more than shoes. They're your partner in redefining urban exploration and mobility. Meet the Vaultek LifePod 2.0, a secure and stylish solution for your travel needs. This isn't just any travel case, it's a full-sized masterpiece designed to store a variety of items, from EDC gear to your phone, passport, and more. Its versatility extends to firearms, fitting those up to 9.25 inches in overall length. The LifePod 2.0 is more than just a storage solution. It's lockable, water-resistant, dust-proof, airtight, and incredibly lightweight. Plus, it floats. Whether you're an adventurer, a traveler, or someone who values security and style, this case is designed for you. Its security features are top-notch, with an optional high-resolution fingerprint scanner that's water-resistant. The touch-activated capacitive keypad allows for quick access, and the case can be locked and unlocked both electronically and manually. The LifePod 2.0 runs on a 9-volt battery alkaline battery, boasting up to a year of battery life. In terms of size, it's compact yet spacious, measuring 12.25 inches in length, 8.5 inches in width, and 2.75 inches in height. It weighs just 3.3 pounds, making it perfect for on-the-go security. The LifePod 2.0 is your travel companion that ensures whatever you value most is kept safe and sound, wherever your journey takes you. With the Einstar handheld 3D scanner, you can enter the world of advanced 3D scanning. This cutting-edge device from Shining 3D, a leader in high-precision 3D digitizing and printing since 2004, is revolutionizing how we capture and digitize the physical world. The Einstar handheld 3D scanner combines structured light and laser technologies, using infrared VCSEL projectors, making it exceptionally adept at face digitizing. Compact and portable, the scanner comes with a convenient carrying case, ensuring it's ready for use anywhere, from outdoor adventures to professional settings. It weighs just 600 grams and includes a wristlet for secure handling. The scanner's ease of use is enhanced by its intuitive control buttons and indicators. Technical prowess is evident in its specifications: a 12-volt power supply for versatile use, a standard M7 threaded mount for tripod compatibility, and built-in cameras for capturing color details. The Einstar software, essential for data processing, is user-friendly and integrates seamlessly with the scanner. Whether you're working in industry, healthcare, education, or art, the Einstar handheld 3D scanner offers a harmonious blend of precision, versatility, and ease of use, making 3D scanning accessible and efficient for everyone. Stay connected wherever adventure takes you with the ACR Bivy Stick satellite communicator. This compact device transforms your smartphone into a global communication tool. Whether you're hiking remote trails or sailing the open seas, the Bivy Stick ensures you're never out of reach. With its 100% global satellite coverage, you can send and receive messages, share your location, and even access detailed maps and weather reports. Its Group Track feature allows for off-grid group messaging and location sharing, perfect for keeping your team connected in the wilderness. In emergencies, the Bivy Stick's SOS feature provides peace of mind. With a simple press, it sends your GPS coordinates to rescue services, ensuring help is always within reach. Plus, its partnership with Global Rescue guarantees 24/7 emergency assistance. Technical specs include an IPX7 waterproof rating, a lightweight design at just 3.35 ounce, and a battery life of up to 120 hours. The ACR Bivy Stick is a reliable partner for your outdoor adventures, keeping you safe and connected no matter where you go. Welcome to the great outdoors, where the BioLite CampStove 2 Plus transforms your camping experience. This isn't just any stove, it's a marvel of innovation, harnessing the power of wood burning to cook your meals and charge your devices. The CampStove 2 Plus stands out with its unique ability to use biomass like sticks or pine needles as fuel. It's eco-friendly and efficient, perfect for the conscious camper. The magic lies in its onboard battery, which charges from the heat of your fire, doubling as a power bank for your gadgets. But it's not just about utility, it's about enhancing your outdoor adventures. The included flex light illuminates your cooking space, making nighttime cooking a breeze. Its sturdy design supports larger pots, ideal for group camping. Compact yet powerful, the CampStove 2 Plus weighs around 2 pounds and is about the size of a 32-ounce water bottle when packed. Despite its small footprint, it packs a punch with a fan that intensifies the fire, ensuring a quick boil time and reduced smoke. The BioLite CampStove 2 Plus is more than a stove. It's a game changer for outdoor enthusiasts, a must-have for your next adventure. Introducing the Hohem iSteady MT2 Gimbal to the realm of steadily captured footage. For both pros and amateurs, this gimbal is a game changer that will revolutionize the way you capture moments. Equipped with an AI vision sensor, the iSteady MT2 ensures you or your subject stay perfectly centered, offering seamless tracking without constant screen monitoring. Its intuitive design allows for setting motion control points directly on the gimbal, eliminating the need for an app. This feature is ideal for creating dynamic, controlled movements in your videos. The gimbal's balance part includes a 1/4-inch thread, perfect for attaching additional devices like a GoPro or Insta360, providing versatile shooting angles. It effortlessly switches between horizontal and portrait modes, catering to diverse filming needs. The gimbal supports a range of cameras, including the Sony A7 series, ensuring compatibility with various professional setups. But there's more. The AI chip doubles as a fully adjustable bi-color RGB light, enhancing your shots with the perfect lighting. The Hohem iSteady MT2 Gimbal is a comprehensive solution for creative and dynamic videography, offering unparalleled control and versatility in capturing life's moments. The Brompton A Line folding bike is a modern engineering and design masterpiece. This bike is more than simply a source of transportation. It's a statement of independence and adaptability. The A Line has a glossy white steel frame and the classic Brompton 3-part fold, which transforms into a small package in seconds. The A Line's simplicity is its genius. With 3 hub gears, shifting is seamless, whether you're at a standstill or on the move. These gears, housed within the rear wheel, are shielded from the elements, ensuring longevity with minimal maintenance. The bike's intuitive design makes it a breeze to use, perfect for the urban explorer. It is as light as a compact suitcase and weighs only 25 pounds, making it easy to move and store anywhere. The A Line is suited for most adults because of its adjustable handlebar and medium ride position. With their durability and puncture resistance, these Brompton wheels are equipped to conquer the city streets. The A Line is more than simply a bike. It's a life partner, adaptive and dependable, ready to reveal new adventures around every corner. A chic and adaptable way to maintain the ideal temperature for your food and beverages is the Chefman Mini Portable Personal Fridge. This compact fridge is not just a cooling device, it also doubles as a warmer, making it ideal for a variety of uses. Whether you're storing cold sodas or keeping your soup warm, this fridge has you covered with its easy-to-use switch that toggles between cooling and warming modes. The Chefman Mini Fridge is incredibly portable, thanks to its lightweight design and convenient handle. It's perfect for personal spaces, travel, offices, dorms, and outdoor adventures. With a 4-liter capacity, it can comfortably hold 6 12-ounce soda cans and includes a removable shelf for smaller items like yogurt, fruit, or skincare products. Environmentally conscious users will appreciate that this fridge is 100% Freon-free, making it an eco-friendly choice. It's also travel-safe, with the ability to plug into standard home outlets and 12-volt car chargers. The sleek design adds a touch of elegance wherever you place it, ensuring that this mini fridge is as stylish as it is functional. We present to you the Ember Travel Mug 2, an innovative device that will enhance your everyday drinking experience. This high-tech drinkware has a luxury feel and is durable. It is made of stainless steel with a ceramic covering. Added stability from its rubber base helps to avoid spillage, especially on softer surfaces. The Ember Mug's standout feature is its ability to maintain your drink at a perfect temperature. It automatically detects liquid and maintains a standard temperature of 57 Celsius. For customization, the accompanying app allows temperature adjustments in 0.5-degree increments, ensuring your drink is exactly how you like it. The app also offers color customization for the mug's light, adding a personal touch. Practically, the Ember Mug can even warm up water, taking about 40 minutes, making it ideal for places like college dorms, where kettles aren't allowed. Its battery life is impressive, lasting about 1.5 hours at room temperature, and nearly an hour in colder conditions. The Ember Travel Mug 2 enhances your drinking experience, ensuring every sip is at your ideal temperature. Meet the Tile Bluetooth Tracker and Item Locators, your ultimate solution for keeping track of your most important items. Whether it's keys, wallets, or even your pet, Tile ensures you're always connected to the things that matter most. With a range of up to 250 feet, these trackers make locating your belongings straightforward and stress-free. They're designed to be water-resistant and come with a long-lasting, 3-year non-replaceable battery, ensuring durability and reliability. Using the Tile app on your smartphone, you can ring your tile when it's within Bluetooth range, or check its last known location on a map. Lost your phone? Simply double-press your tile to make your phone ring, even when it's on silent. The Tile Mate measures 1.54 inches square, while the Tile Slim is as thin as 0.09 inches, ideal for sliding into wallets or luggage tags. Tile transforms the way you find your everyday items, bringing peace of mind and convenience to your busy life. Introducing the DreameBot L10S Ultra, a revolutionary leap in home cleaning technology. This advanced robot vacuum is designed to make your life easier with its fully automated cleaning system. It's not just about vacuuming. The L10S Ultra also cleans and washes itself, offering a truly hands-free experience. Equipped with 5.300 PA of powerful suction, it ensures deep and thorough cleaning on all surfaces. Its dual pad mopping system is adept at handling various floor types, leaving your floors spotless. The robot's smart navigation, aided by an advanced AI, skillfully avoids obstacles and ensures efficient cleaning of your entire home. In terms of technical specifications, The DreameBot L10S Ultra boasts a 5200 mAh battery, ensuring long-lasting performance. Its compact design doesn't compromise the 350 milliliter dustbin capacity, making it suitable for larger homes as well. The robot is also compatible with Alexa, Google Home, and Siri, allowing for easy voice control. The DreameBot L10S Ultra represents a perfect blend of style, efficiency, and technology, making it an essential addition to any modern home. With this robot vacuum, you can enjoy a cleaner living space with minimal effort. The LaserPecker 3 is a revolutionary handheld engraver that is revolutionizing the way we approach metal and plastic engraving. This small device, powered by a 1064 nanometer optical infrared laser, provides unrivaled precision and speed. The LaserPecker 3's innovative technology delivers ultra-fine focal points as small as 0.01 mm, ensuring exceptional engraving accuracy and 4K resolution for precise work. The LaserPecker 3 is incredibly user-friendly, featuring easy-to-use mobile and PC software for seamless operation. Its versatility extends to various materials, including most metals, plastics, and even materials with paint coatings. The device's motorized support track simplifies focal point adjustments, and its 360-degree rotating laser module allows engraving at any angle, enhancing its practical applications. The LaserPecker 3 boasts an engraving speed of 600 to 800 mm per second and a preview speed of 3750 mm per second. Its compact size, combined with a powerful laser capable of an average power of 1000 milliwatt and peak power of 10 kilowatt, makes it an ideal tool for both professional and personal use. Whether you're a jeweler, hobbyist, or small business owner, the LaserPecker 3 offers a convenient and efficient solution for all your engraving needs.